This is the perfect 3-day full body muscle building plan backed by science, very specific towards beginners like yourself. I'm gonna go over everything that you need to know to make sure that you get the gains that you're looking for. I know you're probably bombarded by a lot of crazy YouTube videos that are either too simple or too complicated. This video right here, right in the sweet spot, guaranteed to give you the gains that you're looking for. I'm gonna go over why a 3-day full body plan, weekly structure, a full workout breakdown, how to progress, and tips for max results. So let's get started. Now let's start with why full body. The reason why is because according to a 2016 research article, it showed that training muscle groups 2 to 3 times a week is going to be superior for muscle hypertrophy, which is just muscle growth, compared to doing, 1 time a week or like your quintessential bro split. Also, training more often is going to allow beginners to train their technique, which is going to lead to more and faster neuromuscular adaptation, which means better form, which leads to faster gains. And if you're wondering about recovery, don't worry, I got you covered on that, because according to a 2021 review in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, it showed that as long as volume is managed, training full body 3 times a week with rest in between is optimal even for muscle growth and recovery. Now, when it comes to your weekly structure plan, we're going to choose between any 3 non-consecutive days. So for example, you have your Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or your Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, whichever one works best for you. That's going to be the best one. We're going to alternate between 2 different full body workouts. We're going to call them A and B. It's going to help avoid any kind of plateaus that you may face while you're working out. This rotation is going to add variation without overwhelming you, because according to a 2015 research article, it showed that the slightest variation in your workouts will help reduce overuse injury as well as increase muscle fiber recruitment. Now let's break down the actual workouts. Each day is going to include 5 components. Number 1 is going to be a major compound lift. Number 2 is going to be a push or pull movement. Number 3 is going to be a lower body accessory. Number 4 is going to be isolation for smaller muscles. And number 5 is going to be optional core work. Now when it comes to full body A, we're going to start with barbell squats. We're going to do 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps. Now your barbell squats is going to primarily work out your quads, your glutes, as well as be a great core stabilizer. And according to a 2001 research article, it showed that barbell squats are one of the best lower body activators. Number 2 is going to be your dumbbell bench press. Now we're going to look for 3 sets, about 10 reps for this. This is going to primarily work your middle part of your chest, along with your front delts and some triceps as well. And doing it with dumbbells is going to allow for better range of motion as well as help with stabilizing muscles as well. Number 3 is going to be walking lunges. Now we're going to do 2 sets, 12 reps each level for this exercise. This is going to help with your balance as well as unilateral strength as well, which is going to help with injury prevention according to 2009 research article. Number 4 is going to be your lateral raises. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps for this exercise. This is going to be great for your aesthetics, middle part of your shoulder. Is going to help with shoulder health as well. Number 5 is going to be your planks. We're going to do 3 sets, 30 seconds to 45 seconds each set. This is going to be great for your transverse abdominis. This is going to help with helping prevent any kind of lower back injury as well. Now we're on to full body B. The first is going to be your Romanian deadlifts. We're going to do 3 sets of 8 reps for this exercise. This exercise is going to be great for your hamstrings, your glutes, as well as your erector spinae. And the Romanian deadlift is one of the best posterior chain exercises that you can do, bar none. Number 2 is going to be your lat pull down, or you could do assisted pull-ups. Do 3 sets, 10 reps for this exercise. This is going to be great for your lats, your rhomboids, as well as your biceps. And studies show that doing any kind of vertical pull is going to be crucial for your overall balanced back development. Number 3 is going to be your leg press or step ups. We're going to do 3 sets, 12 reps for this exercise. Now, when it comes to your step ups specifically, this is going to help with hip stability along with helping strengthen individually weak legs. Number 4 is going to be bicep curls along with tricep pushdowns. We're going to do a superset for this one. 3 sets, 12 reps. This is going to help with overall arm development, isolating those triceps and biceps. It's also going to help with overall elbow joint support. Number 5 is going to be crunches or hanging leg raises. We're going to do 3 sets, 15 reps for this one. The mantra for this is going to be stronger core equals stronger lifts. According to 2007 study, it showed that training your core is going to help with overall performance and better performance in compound lifts. Now you're probably wondering, how do I progress? 3 things to keep in mind. Number 1, track your weights. Number 2 is to add more weight each week, 5 to 10 pounds max. Number 3 is to make sure you focus on form first, always. Now, the 3 things that I just stated is what is overall called progressive overload. Now, it's a cornerstone of muscle growth. is proven in dozens of studies, in particular a 2003 study that showed that increasing resistance over time directly leads to gains in strength as well as hypertrophy. Now, here are some tips to boost results backed by science. Number one is going to be 60 to 90 seconds of rest in between sets. You want to be closer to 60 seconds for isolation movements and closer to 90 seconds for compound lifts. Number two is going to be eat enough protein. According to a 2018 research article, it showed that 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight is ideal for muscle growth. Number three, 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Have the mindset of sleep deprivation equals hormone imbalance equals stalled gains. Consistency is king. These first 8 to 12 weeks of doing this kind of program is all about locking in, stay consistent, and make sure that you improve on a weekly basis. This 3-day plan is beginner gold if I do say so myself. And if you stick to it for at least 3 weeks, I promise you, you'll feel better, you'll move better, and you'll look better. And best of all, it's sustainable. And if this helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more science-based fitness content in the future. And if you want more workout plans, possibly month 3 and 4 for this particular video, leave a comment down below. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished. And until next time, peace.